You saw these candle holders that I had out in my shed. It's a little warm to be working outside today, so I'm going to bring them inside and show you what I'm going to do with those. I don't have any electricity out by the shed, so I want to make them into lights. I bought these little solar lights from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stick them in the candle holder and mount them on the front of the shed. I'm using this cord weather stripping. You can buy it at any lumber company. Let's see if I can get that in there. You buy this cord weather stripping, and it stays malleable so that you can mold it, because these will not stay in there. There's a little play. So I'm going to pull off some of this. And I'm just going to wrap it around the base here. This is some older stuff I had. I couldn't find it when I made my last video. And you're just going to press it into there, good and tight, and you have a light. As easy as that, and you've got lighting.